Some pretty serious custom 19-inch Meister S1Rs. Sean is going to open them up there. Wow, I thought that one was pre-done.
Nothing rigged here.
Yeah, they're great. Nice to order something brand new like that, wouldn't it? Shit. Oh my god. This is one of the rarest wheels. They're actually Watanabe Gotti. They were a year in production. Yeah, somebody ordered these, I think in the UK. It's a wheel that they used to race on the Z in Le Mans back in 1976. And the original one was never sold to the public, but Watanabe have made a mold of it. They are fucking incredible. Gift. So I don't know if we mentioned this before, but all these pallets have to be smashed up, broken down, and then all the engines go on separate pallets. See some slab strength. Figure out the knack.
Yeah, he's got the knack.
The knack. One knack.
One knack.
Now 0 knacks.
All knacked out.
Petrol or diesel?
Stay over you.
No, we're getting close though. It's a serious plaster. Woo. Jap on jap, finger on finger. The old little 4E. Small compared to the fucking slab that is the RB25.
Lift that out myself.
Yeah, it doesn't even look like anything. Manhandle the 4E. Some man.
Dushki. Now you know.
On the town. Busted out. Unboxing with Sean.